Good morning, friends. I am your teacher Rajinder Jatanand on this side. Today I have come with one more video on the logarithmic family. You see, until and unless you know these families, then I don't think that you will be able to take full benefit of the logarithm. So, in order to equip yourself fully, you need to learn these families. Until and unless these families are not understood properly, then you cannot attempt questions. And the main purpose is that we have to make our calculations easy and we have to tackle the problems given in our exam. As you know that this is very important in all the subjects including chemistry, physics, math, bio. So, and it is totally based for doing the calculations. This is a concept behind this. So, for doing calculations, you need family, and family we are going to discuss today. I will be discussing 7 family, and I'll try my best that you understand each family properly. Not only I will be simply telling you the family, I'll be explaining each one of them. And after that, we will take up some examples, and after that, you will be treating these logarithmic and exponential functions because they are inverse to each other. So we must understand properly the logarithmic and exponential functions. So that chapter we will also be taking. In addition to this, many a times you will come across with the logarithmic equations and inequations. So one lecture that will be based on that also. So after this lecture, we'll be having 2 more lectures. This is lecture number 3 on logs, and 2 more lectures will come, 1 per day. So I expect that you people will respond to it, you will understand properly because maths is a fun. And we have to understand this because this is related to the future. Because these marks in any exam, they are the ultimate way of entering into good institutions. If your studies are good, your institution is good, definitely you are going to get a good job also. And I wish that my purpose will be only served when I see you, most of you, in very good institutions, including IIT and others, in the medical line also. So after this, I'll be taking up logarithmic family. There are 7 families. One by one, I'll be taking them. Thank you. Thank you very much. Ask your friends to go through the videos so that you people are able to understand what is the logarithm and how simple it is. Thank you very much. Like it, share it, subscribe it. Thank you.